What's up, guys? This is Investors Bootcamp. Last one we did was Forex Accelerator. That was just the basics, getting the groundwork going. Now we're gonna set up your demo account so you can get some live hands-on training and start learning how these currencies actually move. So let's get right to it. Okay, so first you're gonna go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and you're gonna search MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4, don't worry about MetaTrader 5. We're gonna be using MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is everything. It's like the Holy Bible. You need MetaTrader 4. That's how you trade. That's how you're gonna be trading currencies. So a lot of people get confused. They think MetaTrader 4 is actually how you trade. MetaTrader 4 is just a platform. You actually have to log in to a broker account to actually be able to trade. So yeah. So you're going to open MetaTrader and select the settings tab, which would be in the right corner here. Once you do that, you're going to go to new account, select new account. Then you're going to open a personal demo account. So you're going to see start without registration, log into existing account. You're going to open a personal demo account. Then you're going to search JAFX Demo 3 in the search bar. If you just put JAFX, you'll be fine. You'll see JAFX. I actually use LQD8, LQDFX. So that's what we're going to be using is LQDFX. If you want to download JAFX, you can as well. That's just a broker I use to trade cryptocurrencies, but we'll be using LQDFX. So make sure you put in LQDFX. So once you get to this screen, you're going to put in your name, first and last name, or just first name, your phone number. They're not going to call you or text you. Your email, you're not going to get any emails. And then your account info should say LQDFX. Your leverage we're using is 1 to 500. And your deposit should be nothing over 3,000. Unless you have $10,000 capital to use. But even then, I always tell people to start with at least 500 to 1,000. So we're going to do 3,000, which is the lowest you can do. So this is called your Explore page. This is called your quotes page. We're gonna explore the quotes page and delete all these currencies you don't need. Yours will look different than mine, but you'll see a bunch of currencies. All you're gonna do is hit this pencil right here, and you're gonna delete all the currencies that you see. And then you're gonna go to this plus symbol right here, and you're gonna add the currency. The currencies you'll be adding is USDJPY, and US30. And you'll also be adding gold, which is XAUUSD. Now I want you to pick one currency that you want to watch. It could be a stock, it could be gold, it could be a commodity, it could be US30, or it could be Euro USD. Just pick one. This one currency is going to be the currency that you're trading throughout the boot camp, and we're also going to be having an example currency, which is US30. We'll be using that one. That's when I'll be teaching. But I also want you to practice following one currency that you like. And if you don't understand some of the terminology, you can refer to the Forex glossary that's included in the Forex Accelerator hand guide. So if you don't like videos and you like to read, I also have the hand guide for you as well. Explore the different symbols and choose a few currencies you favor. So when you go to add symbol, you'll see you have energy, metals, crypto, stocks. This is JAFX, but LQDFX will be a little different. But you want to go find US30, and you want to find USDJPY, Euro USD, and gold. And yeah, that'll be all we'll be watching. So you want to set up your chart and indicators. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the chart tab, press anywhere on the screen to bring up the menu. So when you're on the chart tab, you just press anywhere in the screen. It'll bring up this menu right here. You're going to select settings, and then you're going to select colors, and you can edit your colors any way you like, but the standard colors are green and red. That's what I use. So when you look at your colors, you should see your colors should all look like mine. Green, red, green, red, green. If yours don't match up like this, then you're wrong. So change them. So we're going to be setting up RSI. I said you wouldn't be using indicators, but this is the only indicator you'll be using. This lets you know when things are being oversold and overbought. I don't use any indicators but this. I don't use Bollinger Bands. I don't use any of that stuff. I learned how to trade at first using that stuff, and that's when I blew accounts. Then I got to the basics, and I haven't blown accounts since. Knock on wood. So your RSI. To set up your RSI, you're gonna click the bottom screen, select indicators. When you select the option indicator window, you're gonna go to the section that says oscillators and select relative strength index. Change the period to 14. Apply the close. Set levels to 2080. So you'll see it right here. So you see chart, you see indicators, relative strength index, relative strength index. When you go to oscillators, you see relative strength index. Properties period should be 14. Apply to close. Levels 20, 80. Style blue. Now you're gonna place a trade. So in this example, I used USD JPY, but you're gonna use the currency you want to use, and you're gonna place a trade. I know you don't know what you're doing. Some of you don't know what you're doing right now. You don't know what's going on. Trust me, it with Forex, you have to just dive in, and things start making sense when you dive in. So make a trade. Don't think about it. Use your best guess you can, and trust me. What I'll do is, when you make the trade, I tell you what you did wrong and what you did right, and then we reverse engineer based off that. So, yeah, I want you to make a trade. Let's see here. You're going to select USD JPY on the quotes page to bring up the menu. Select trade. In this example, we'll use a full contract lot, which is 1.00. So if you buy by market, if you select buy by market, this will put you in a buy, meaning you make money if USD JPY increases in price. So if the US dollar, if US economy goes up and the US dollar rises higher than the yen, you make money. Sell by market. If you select sell by market, this will put you in a sell, meaning you make money if USD JPY decreases in price. So you're selling the dollar, buying the yen. So you see I select the USD JPY, select the trade. I change my lot size right here. This is where your lot size is. You can use 0.01, 1.10, or 1.00, which is a full lot. I recommend using 0.10 starting out, depending on your account size. Okay, how to take profit. So to take profit or close out a trade, simply hold down on the trade you want to close out. The menu will pop up, press close, select the bar that says close or profit. If you're on the red or down in the trade, it will say close with loss. So yeah, you're gonna the trade that you want to close out, you're gonna click down on it and hold it, and then this menu pops up. You're gonna click close, and you're gonna click close with profit or close with a loss if you want to take a loss. And this is how you check your results. In the history tab, it'll show you how much you made for the day, week, and the month. So this is the end of Forex Investors Bootcamp. Now that you've set up your demo account, I want you to choose one of these currencies. So Euro USD, US 30, XUA USD, which is gold, and USD JPY. So either place a buy or sell on one of these, and then once you do it, I want you to post a trade in the support group so I know that you did it. I know you're following along. And I'll see you in the next training.